Dito mo daw matitikman ang masasarap at fresh na seafoods at iba't ibang variant ng pagkain. Hi guys! For today's Chibugan, andito tayo sa The Orange Bucket located sa Double Dragon Plaza, Pasay City. Pagpasok mo, mapapansin mo agad na malaki yung place, well-ventilated and maganda yung Christmas decor nila ngayon. Tara, samahan nyo ako matakam at matikman ang mga pagkain dito. Nag-order nga kami ng Burr Bucket promo nila. Meron the Big Bang Seafood Classic, Buffalo Wings, Baby Back Ribs, Crab in Corn Soup, and yung side dish na garden salad. Umpisahan natin sa crab and soup. Very light lang yung lasa niya and dahil mainit, ang sarap higupin. And then yung side dish nila na garden salad, fresh and tasty, good for appetizer to. Next is yung baby back ribs served with fries and coleslaw. Super tender and juicy nung meat, super flavorful din. Ayan o, humihiwalay na sa buto. Ito naman yung buffalo wings nila with special blue cheese dip. Mild spicy and may sour taste siya. Crunchy yung balat and nag-complement siya dun sa blue cheese na dip niya. Eto na, pinaserve na namin yung highlights ng food trip namin, yung The Big Bang Seafoods Classic, loaded with crab, mussel, shrimp, mixed with potato, marble, and corn. Actually, may scallop din to, kaso hindi available that day. Plus, ayun yung signature sauce niya na sobrang sarap. In fairness, malalaman yung crab, hindi maliliit yung shrimp, and lahat is fresh. Sobrang sarap ng sauce, kaya talagang mag-elevate yung lasa ng seafoods. Mapapahappy tummy ka naman talaga. So, ayun lang guys. Until next food trip. Thank you for watching. Bye!